What if I told you you could see how much money any Shopify store is making today without owning the store, without logging into Shopify, and without guessing? Not last month, not estimated by vibes. I'm talking real-time sales data. And if you're into dropshipping, e-commerce, or spying on competitors, this might completely change how you pick winning products. Let me show you. So in this video, I'm going to show you a tool called SellerCenter. Specifically, it's Shopify sales and revenue tracker, and how people are quietly using it to find winning stores, validate products, and avoid wasting money on bad ideas. If you've ever launched a product and thought, man, I wish I knew if this was already selling, this video is for you. Quick favor before we jump in. If you like e-commerce tips that actually save you time and money, hit the like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Now first, let's clear something up. SellerCenter is not Shopify. It's a third-party research tool designed to analyze public Shopify stores and estimate their sales activity. Think of it like this. Every Shopify store leaves small digital footprints, product changes, order signals, storefront activity. SellerCenter collects those signals and turns them into sales trends you can actually understand. So instead of guessing if a store is doing well, you're watching it in real time. And yes, it works even if the store is not yours. Here's how most people use it. Let's say you're scrolling Instagram or TikTok and you see an ad that just won't stop appearing. Your gut tells you, okay, this product must be selling. Instead of guessing, you copy the store's URL, paste it into SellerCenter, and hit Add to Track. That's it. Now SellerCenter starts monitoring that store and shows you estimated sales numbers, like how many units were sold today, yesterday, and over the last 7 days. And this is the key part. You're not looking for perfection. You're looking for patterns. Is the store selling consistently? Is it growing day by day? Or did it spike once and then completely die? That information alone can save you weeks of trial and error. Here's where things get interesting. Most beginners fail not because they're bad at ads, but because they pick bad products. SellerCenter flips the process. Instead of launching first and hoping for sales, you reverse engineer success. You watch real stores that are already converting. You see which ones are scaling, which ones are flat, and which ones are clearly fake. And yes, SellerCenter even tries to detect fake sales stores that inflate numbers using test orders or shady tactics. Is it perfect? No, but for competitor research, it's insanely useful. Now let me be very honest with you for a second. The numbers you see here are estimates, not exact Shopify dashboard data. SellerCenter even admits there can be up to a 20% margin of error. But here's the thing, when you're comparing stores relative to each other, that error doesn't matter. If one store is selling 20 units a day and another is selling 400, you already know which one to pay attention to. That's how professionals use tools like this, for direction, not perfection. One thing you'll notice is that SellerCenter gives you limited tracking credits. This actually forces you to be smart. Instead of tracking 50 random stores, you focus on stores running ads, stores with clean branding, stores selling products you could realistically replicate or improve. And here's a pro tip. If you stop tracking a store, your credits usually come back. So rotate stores instead of wasting credits. Let me paint the full picture. Advanced users don't just track one store and copy it. They track multiple stores in the same niche. Watch which products appear again and again, and then build a better offer. Better landing page, better price, better creative. SellerCenter becomes the filter that tells them, yes, this niche is alive, or nope, skip this and move on. And that alone is worth its weight in gold. So if you're tired of guessing, tired of launching products blindly, and tired of learning the hard way, SellerCenter's Shopify sales tracker can give you clarity before you commit. Just remember, use it as a compass, not a crystal ball. If you want the tool, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if this video helped you understand competitor research better, drop a comment saying track it. I reply to those. Subscribe for more real e-commerce strategies, and I'll see you in the next one.